But this is news. This is something they wrote to distract our minds or for us to stay there, for us to think they are fighting drug trafficking. It's false. I assure you this is false. There's no fight against drug trafficking because I am the evidence of all this. I am the proof of all. I am proof that I am jailed for drugs. Me and my family are impacted. My wife was kidnapped while drinking at the maternity ward, and the Mozambican government puts us in private cancer, and the news comes out that they are fighting drug trafficking. And I am currently being held as a hostage of drug trafficking in a different country. It is for you to see that the president of the Southern African Development Community, SADC, does not say anything because he has knowledge of drug trafficking in Angola. It is a significant reality you may not want to accept. It is a reality because family, it is highly possible.